Today we will be learning about the parts that make up a choral score. Can anybody raise their hand and tell me what a title is? Megan?
The name of the song.
That's exactly correct. The title is the name of the song. Now, can everybody bring their index finger and bring it to the top center of the sheet of music, okay? Now right there, you'll see the word Still Knock or Silent Night. Can everybody say Still Knock?
Still Knock.
Can everybody say Silent Night?
Silent Night.
Okay, so this song will be in half German and half English. Now I want everybody to take their pencil and underline the title. Very good. Okay. Now, a lyricist is the person who writes the lyrics that we get to sing for our music, or the words, okay? So if you look at the left side, right underneath the title, if you look at the left side, you'll see the name Joseph Moore. Joseph Moore is the one who wrote the words for this song. Can everybody write the word right on top, Joseph Moore? Okay. The composer of a piece of music is the person who writes the music or creates the music. Now you'll see that his name is across from the lyricist. It's right here on the right side of the music, okay? And his name is Franz Gruber. Can everybody repeat the name Franz Gruber?
Franz Gruber.
Okay, great. Now I want everybody to draw a music note on top of Franz Gruber's name. Should look like this. Yep. Okay. The expressive markings, which you'll find in all the songs that you learn, describes the style or mood of the piece, or what kind of emotions you should be having or the audience should be getting from the music you sing. Now you'll see, if you look at your music, take your index finger, if you go underneath Joseph Moore, you'll see the word simply, okay? And that is the expressive marking for this song. So you should feel simple when you sing this song. Now everybody draw a smiley face kind of like this one. You know, the eyes closed but not sleeping because the song is calm. And in the song we say, all is calm, all is quiet, which is why it's simple. The metronome marking tells us how many beats per minute in each song. Sometimes it'll say MM, right here, MM equals 66, or it'll say a note that equals 66 like it does in the music. So if you look right underneath Joseph Moore, you'll see a note that equals 66. Now I want everybody to draw a heart over that right there, okay, to show us how many beats, because just like the beats in the music, our heart has beats. Okay. The piano part. Okay, I don't know if y'all have ever heard of the word accompanist. Can everybody repeat the word accompanist?
Accompanist.
Accompanist is a person who plays the piano. Sometimes they do something else, but usually they play the piano underneath the choir. They assist us and go along with us. Now, you'll usually find that their music comes up first, their line comes up first before the vocal line, just like in this song, okay? Or they'll be underneath the vocal line after that first line, okay? So, you'll see there's two lines. One has a treble clef and one has a bass clef. And there's a bracket that brings them together, okay? So, everybody look at the top and point. This is your piano line right here. Good. I want everybody to draw a diamond on that, and this diamond will help keep us from thinking that that's our line, okay? Good. Diamonds look great, okay? The vocal line is where we'll be looking at. It's where the singer's notes and words are, okay? The text. And it is usually above the piano line, okay? Now I want everybody to star your first vocal line. Now if you bring your finger, it's right underneath this line right here. Go underneath there, put the word still and knock, draw a star next to that. Now I want y'all to find your next vocal line and star that one. Great. Now, key signature tells us the key of the song, or in choir world, where the do is in the song. So it'll be right next to your treble clef right here. And in this case, ours is blank right here. But sometimes we'll see sharps or flats to do our key signature. But ours is blank, so it is C major, okay? So this is what our do will look like. Now I want everybody to go find the do's on the first sheet of the music and circle them. Good, good. The time signature tells the singer how many beats per measure and the note that receives 1 beat. Okay, it's to the right of the key signature. Okay, it's got 2 numbers, one on top of the other, but it's not a fraction. It's not a fraction that you would use in math, it's just a time signature. So the 3 on top will show us that there are 3 beats per measure, okay? Now I want everybody to circle the 3 on top. Measure numbers. Okay. Music is divided into measures. Those are the little cutoffs right here. We call them bar lines. And that, they have as many beats as you can have, as Bai said, to our time signature. So there'll be 3 beats in each measure we have. And usually in music, the numbers are either printed for us or written. Today they're not printed for us, so we're going to write them down. And these numbers help the singers to know where they're at or where they're going, okay? So I want everybody to number the measures on the first vocal line, okay? Okay. Now that we're finished looking through all the parts of a choral score, we're going to go over a short quiz and we're going to see how much y'all retained, and then we can talk about it after class, okay?